Hi guys, we're gonna make cookies.
We have flour and we'll have salt and baking soda.
Spread around.
Let's go and mix. I have melted butter, brown sugar, white sugar. Let's whisk the egg. And I'll add vanilla.
I'll make a hole.
And I'll put this mixture and the egg mixture.
Now it's time to mix.
Now I'll put my walnuts and the chocolate chip.
Oh, that's so good.
There's so many. Scoop it down.
And
Wow, it looks
okay,
so
and I think we're
good.
done.
Mama. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
How many cookies?
10. Just like a headband.